Operation demonstration of cleaning sewage suction truck. Demonstration of sewage suction operation steps. First, check whether there is water in the water tank of the water circulation pump. If the amount of water is insufficient, you need to add water. Open the water tank and high-pressure pump water supply system valves. Close the ball valve between the clean water tank and the sewage tank when sucking sewage. Close the tank front drain. Close and lock all canisters at the top. Close top pneumatic knife valve. Check whether the sewage outlet of the tank tailgate is locked. Close the small tail drain. Open the tail suction port. Connect the suction pipe and lock the thumb snap. The other end of the suction pipe is connected to the cesspool. Get in the truck and start the engine. Step down the clutch. Hang neutral and wait for the barometer to reach 7 trillion Pa or more. Turn on the steel switch. Press the broken shaft power takeoff switch. Press the suction pump power takeoff switch. Hang 9-gear easy clutch. Adjust the 4-way valve handle. Bring the pipeline to the exhaust state. At the end of the tank is the liquid window. It can be observed that the suction has begun. Adjust the throttle. Make the vacuum pump rotate at 700 revolutions per minute. Sewage is a liquid pipe. Observe the liquid level height when the tank is about to fill. Reduce throttle. Step down the clutch. Turn off the throttle switch in neutral. Close the broken shaft power takeoff. Turn off the power takeoff switch of the suction pump. Easy clutch. Turn off the engine. Close the suction port ball valve. Just remove the suction pipe. Now for the sewage operation demonstration. Install the drain and lock the thumb clasp. Open the drain valve. The sewage pipe starts to discharge sewage. Sewage discharge. Open the tank back door. Lock push back cover switch lever. Open the back cover. The back cover is slowly opened. Lift the tank. Removal of solid or semi-liquid dirt. Wait for the dirt to drain. Lower the tank. Pull the back cover lever. Close the back door and lock it. The sewage is finished. Pressure cleaning operation demonstration. Open the top water tank. Add water to the can. Observe the water level gauge of the water tank. Close drain valve. Open the water supply valve of the high-pressure pump. Open the water reel lock. Lengthen the high-pressure reel pipe to a suitable distance. Get in the truck and start the engine. Step down the clutch. Hang neutral and wait for the barometer to reach 700 billion Pa or more. Turn on the steel switch. Press the broken shaft power takeoff switch. Press the high-pressure pump takeoff switch. Open power takeoff pump. Hang the 9th gear easy clutch flexure to work. At this point, the high-pressure water nozzle has started to work, cleaning or dredging. When working, the 3-way valve is hit in the high-pressure direction. Observation water pressure gauge. Rotable regulating valve to increase water pressure. It can be adjusted if the water pressure is too high. Reduce water pipe pressure. High pressure pump adjusted to 900 revolutions per minute. The amount of water can be adjusted through the pressure regulating valve. Operation completed. Retract reel hose. Close the water reel lock. Remove the sewer nozzle. Operation completed. Return the 3-way valve. Boom operation demonstration. Push the boom to rotate the telescopic operation rod, and the boom is slowly extended. Pull the boom to rotate the telescopic operation rod, and the boom is slowly retracted. Push boom lift push rod boom rise. Push the boom forward and reverse operation lever, and the boom rotates clockwise. Pull the boom forward and reverse push rod, the boom rotates counterclockwise. Pull boom lift push rod boom drop. Cleaning the sewage suction truck operation is completed.